In the last video, we have covered the Himalayan river system. Today, we will be doing the peninsular river system. The first one is the river Narmada, which rises from the Amarkantak hill. And it flows towards west and drains into Arabian Sea. And this Narmada river creates many, I have told you in the video also, many scenic views on way to the sea. And now next one is the river Tapi. River Tapi rises here in this region and drains into Arabian Sea. River Tapi flows parallel to the river Narmada but shorter in course, and this also creates estuaries in this area. When it reaches the sea, then the river creates estuaries. And here river Narmada also create a fall called Daudar Fall, which is the second largest fall in India. Now you have to find out the first biggest fall in India. This is the second biggest fall in India, which is the Daudar Fall, which made by river Narmada. And you have to find out the biggest fall in India. And the next river is the river Mahanadi. And Mahanadi rises in the district of Chhattisgarh and drains into Bay of Bengal and joins by small tributaries. Next one is the longest peninsular river, that is Godavari river. Mahanadi river rises in the highland of Chhattisgarh, and the areas covered by this river is Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand and drains into Bay of Bengal. And the length of this river is 860 kilometers. I have told you in the video also, and this is just for your reminder. The next one is river Godavari, which is the largest peninsular river. And the river Godavari rises in the slope of Western Ghats. These are Western Ghats, these are Eastern Ghats. Slope of Western Ghats. River Godavari rises in slope of Western Ghats and flows towards Eastern Ghats and drains into Bay of Bengal. And the area covered by this river is Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Maharashtra, 50% of Maharashtra, and Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, and Orissa. And the tributaries, the main tributaries of this river, the river Godavari, is Venganga, Penganga, and Varda Purna. I have told you in the video. And this Majra, Venganga and Penganga are the largest tributary of this river Godavari. The river Godavari covers the large area and the larger river, that's why joined by larger tributaries, and the area covered by this river is very vast, that's why it is called Dakshin Ganga, and its length is also I think it is 1400, 1500 kilometers. The length of this river is 1500. The northern largest basin is the Ganga basin, which is in the largest basin of India is the Ganga basin, because the Ganga is the longest river. Second one is the Godavari. That's why it is also called the Dakshin Ganga. And the next one is the river Krishna, which rises from the spring of near spring of Mahabaleshwar and flows eastwards, reaching Eastern Ghats and drains into Bay of Bengal. And the length of this river is 1400 kilometers, and the tributaries tributaries are the Tungabhadra, 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 Bhima, 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 and there are many more. You can find out in the map. So next one is the river Kaveri. River Kaveri rises in the Brahmagiri range. The Brahmagiri range, as you can see here in the western coast, Western Ghats, the uplands here in the Western Ghats, the Brahmagiri, Brahmagiri Brahmagiri range, river Krishna rises, river Kaveri rises in the Brahmagiri range, which is in the Western Ghats, and reaches Bay of Bengal and joined by many tributaries. And tributaries are Amravati. I have told you in the video also, class video. Amravati. Next one is Kabini, and many more. You can see that video and you can do the map walk here. And this river Kaveri river reaches Bay of Bengal south of the Kadalur in the state of Tamil Nadu, and the total length of this river is 760 kilometers. And this river also makes the second biggest waterfall. I have told you in the video also, that is Shiva Samudram Falls, which is the second biggest fall in India. You can also do the map walk. Here I have covered all the Himalayan river system and the peninsular river system. You can do the tributaries here, and I'll show you some lake also in this map. That is the saltwater lake. One is the Shambar Lake, which is in Rajasthan. Shambar Lake, Rajasthan. And next one is this is also a saltwater lake, Chilka Lake, Chilka Lake in Orissa. And next one is the Koleru Lake, and other one is Pulikat Lake. I have told you in the video, Pulikat Lake. These are some lakes. Here the freshwater lake, like Ular Lake in Jammu and Kashmir. Ular Lake. Here you can see in this Ladakh area, Ladakh region, here is a penguin lake here. You may be familiar with the penguin lake because it's shown in the movie called Three Idiot. Penguin lake. And other artificial lakes like Guru Govind Sagar, next one is Nizam Sagar. These are the artificial lake. Now you can fill up all the lakes, artificial and natural lake, in this map. From this I hope I made myself clear with all this. Now you can add more lakes and tributaries. Main rivers I have done. You can add the tributaries of this river and the ranges, like over here Satpura range. You can see in the Satpura range, Vidyan range here, Satpura range here. You can do that. Now see you in the next class. Thank you.